Good morning, students. So let's discuss about the deployment and operational view. So here we will find that what are the things exactly uh, in the deployment and operational view depends on a specific actual use case and requirements. It's for example, it is a parking lot. If there is a parking lot, that which type of the system should be arranged and which type of system should be deployed at a site point. So there is a figure also. There is a figure. This is a parking lot, and here we need to deploy some of the IoT sensors, and here we will find that how they can be implemented for our use. So below figure depicts the devices view as a physical entities deployed in the parking lot, and as well as the occupancy sign. So here we have the occupancy sign, and here you can find that there is a empty, and this empty slot is there, and there is a parking operation center, there is data center. So all these things will be there is a payment gateway, payment station gateway, and all the things are on the IoT. So some internet facilities are also there, internet connections are also there, and these by means of this internet connection the user can find that which type of is there any parking space is empty or not, and here he can also find that the parking operation center and the data center also. And one is the point that there is a wireless wide area network link is there. These are the wide area network link, and there are short range link also there. So these are all are the wireless links, and short range link and wide area network links are also there in the whole operation. So here this is an example of deployment of the IoT architecture on a site. So here you can see that how the things can be developed. So below figure depicts the devices view as a physical entities below deployed in the parking lot, as well as the occupancy sign. And there are two sensors nodes, each of which are connected to 8 metal car presence sensor. Okay. So here you can see that so there are some metal sensors are available, and these metal sensors are deployed over here so that the occupancy of the car can be seen. So there are the payment station acts as both as a user interface for the driver to pay and get a payment receipt, as well as communication gateway that connects the two sensor nodes. So the occupancy sign also acts as a communication gateway for the actuator node. Okay. So here we have a actuator to pass the cars or not, and there is a sign of the empty or not. So each and everything will be depends on the parking operation center, and this parking operation center has the fees of the parking. So each and everything is managed and automated, and all the things are delivered to the parking operation center. So whatever the data is there will be defined, will be sent to the parking operation center, and can be easily viewed and managed up from this point. So that is a deployment view of a operational view of a parking lot system. So now here you can see that how the things are coming in the picture, and how can you deploy the IoT system in a or at the user site. So the point is this, that in this particular parking operating system you can see that the parking lots can be traced by the sensors, and the data is can be provided to the payment gateway, and this payment gateway is linked to the and this payment gateway and the occupancy of the cars are transferred to the internet, and this internet using this internet, the data center is connected, parking operation center is connected, and mobile phones are also connected. So by means of this, the data can be traced and checked by the users that which type of data is whether the occupancy is there or not, or he can also pay by online to the for the payment of the user for the payment of the parking lot, and he can assess it. So that's how a deployment view works. So thank you for this lecture. In the next lecture we will find about the operational view. Okay, so let's see this.